Right, welcome guys to a very warm furnace mill. Right, first of all, bad news first. I've just broke the top one on my pole. So I'm fishing only top kits. Right, so I'm fishing only top kits today. So I'm fishing there and I'm fishing there. Can't fish the other way. Quite tight pegging and Pete's fishing there. So right, first run out with the first with the Matrix super box. So yeah, there we go. Fishing with, I've opened them upside down, trust me. I'm fishing with the Fjuka Naturals. Let me just close that bag up, fold the bag over. Fishing with the Fjuka Naturals, just hookables, absolutely top notch, over a bed of micros. And as I say, I can only fish there. So, let's have a look, shall we? I have plumbed the depth, and I tried with maggots for a short while, caught a couple of tiny roach. So here we go. First in, as I say, top kit only, as you can see. Let's just drop that in and see what happens. See if there's anything. So with the maggots, the bites were pretty. Oh hello. The bites were pretty instant, and I did feed while I. Hello. Oh. I did feed. Oh hello. There we are. We're in. Oh, let's come on. The bait still stayed on. They're quite durable. These new naturals. I'm liking them. Yeah, we're at Furnace Mill fishing on a Sunday. I don't know whether that's the bait that's dragging it under. I'll have a look. And then we're in. So that didn't take long, did it? We're on the mucky meadow pool. Dad's already caught. It's took me ages to set up as usual, especially as I've set up with the new box as well. Obviously I've had a dry run in the garden, which looked a bit ridiculous really. But it's a bit of a Frankenstein really, because it's a bit of Matrix, a bit of Maver signature. Obviously because I'm not sponsored, so I have to make do. Now what is this? Make do and I'm saying cruciate. But a decent size cruciate. Let's have a look. So we can get his head up. Don't feel like a carp. No, it's a carp, I think. Not bad first fish. Let's see what we've got. Yeah, as I say, we're fishing the mucky meadow. Fishing on a Sunday, it's the only one that's available. But Dad's just had a perch. Of any size, Dad, or small? Small. It's his first perch. Bless him. Of the day, obviously. Staying very deep, this fish. Fishing with a size 14 hook, because they seem to sit better with these naturals, and I can get the point out Right, it's taking a bit long to bring him in, so I have got a little bit of hemp as well with me, which you can use here. So if you can use it, use it. This fish is staying ever so low. Well, I don't know, Dad, I ain't seen it yet, but it's staying ever so low. But I'm on the 8 to 10 elastic, so I can't bully him too much. It's got to be a carp, this one. I want to get him in being first fish as well. Yeah, it's tiring now. There's a carp. Oh, nice one. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Well, there you go. First pudding, and we've got a carp. Nice little common. Where's the hook? The hook's on the outside of his mouth, so probably made a grab for the. Hang on, mate. Keep still. Let's come out in the net. There he is, guys. Over the net, obviously. There he is. Let's get him back. As I say, not bad first fish. Well, it's like being a marine. We've got to adapt and overcome. So you only got a top kit, you only fish top kit distances, don't you? So yeah, that's a size. It's 14 hook. It's a small 14 though. And there we are with the natural. Hook it through the barrel, roll it onto the hook, and there you go. Just looks like a fishery pellet. There we go. Well, the way I look at these, this is quite a jagged fight. The way I look at these naturals is as an expander, if you like. Oh, hello. It's a crucian. Got him by the tail and all. Oh, lovely. I think I've lassoed him. Does that looks like I've lassoed him on the tail. What's the odds of that? Well, that's got to be a winner, that has, hasn't it? That's got to win all hands down, that has. If I have. I've lassoed him. The hook's not gone in much there. Let's have a look at him then. What a beauty, look at him. You gotta love a crucian, ain't you? All day long. Yeah, so the way I look at these naturals is that they are. Dad's just had a crucian as well. It's just saying the good little fighters. Well, I just lassoed that one by the tail, so he didn't have much of a chance to fight me. I don't know whether I'm a cowboy or a fisherman. Anyway, I'll get this out in a minute. What I was saying was, this is a bit bigger, this one. The way I look at these is an expandable pellet or soft pellet without the hassle. Right. This again feels like a crabby. Yep. Oh dear. Right. That is alright. Another crowet. Under the chin, that one. There he is, guys. Let's put him back. Another crowet. There he is, guys. Little crowet. Let's see what this is. Another crowet. Crucian stations down here. Caught him in the cheek. Cheeky boy. That breeze is nice, isn't it? Right, what I'm going to do is, I'm totally over depth. No? Little roach. This, 8 to 10. Green silk. The Matrix one. I've got the orange, which is, yeah. I got a 10 to 12 as well. An orange one. Oh, hello. Ghosty. Every time he sees the net, starts come up. Yeah, this is him. This is him. I got him. Quality. I'm liking the way the box is working as well. I'm liking the way the box is working. You know what I mean? It's all sort of where I need it to be. Because you know when you get used to something. That was a little, what's it that was then? Tiny little crayfish. Alright, let's have a look at him. Right, we got ourselves a little ghosty, guys. Let's see where I marked him. Right, top of the lip. Only just though. Only bloody just. Yeah. There we go. Let's have him over the net. There he is. What a beautiful fish that is, Pete. Gorgeous fish. Look at the size of his head. Looks like a sheep. Guys. Right then, guys, it's a bit late in the day to be doing welcome. This is Fish with Bish, but I didn't do it earlier. It's the first outing of the Matrix box. It's worked really well, to be honest. I'm chuffed with it. It's so comfortable, rock solid. I'm currently fishing over there. I've had a cracking day out, about just a top kit length out. So I'll just put me pop behind the box. Top kit's out because if you heard the beginning part of this, I actually broke my top section of my pole, so I've had to fish with just top sections. Sorry, number one part of my pole, so I've had to fish just top kits today. But like a marine, I've adapted and overcome, and we're doing all right, to be honest. We're catching a fair bit still. So I'm currently using the neons, using naturals today, and that's just a pinch of micros and a pinch of hemp, which you can use here. I've had a tin of frenzied hemp in the back of the car for about 2 years, because I've not gone anywhere where you can use it except for here. So, a cracking day at Furnace Mill with, wow, blown it away really. Crucians, carp. That's what it's been mostly. So it's been a carpy day. We're on Mucky Meadow, which always makes me smile. And we're on the bank, which is, actually I can't see what peg number I am. I'll see if I can find out and put it up. There we go. No. What there is here is off to the very edge is only about 3 or 4 inches deep. Then it drops all the way down to about 1.5 foot, 18 inches. 1.5 foot is 18 inches, Bish, you idiot. So anyway, it drops down to about 1.5 foot, almost like a sheer drop, and that's where I'm fishing. I'm at the bottom of that slope there. Some big fish moving in. I've just seen one. Don't know if you pick that up on the camera. And there's one there. So, what I've tried not to do is get the bait too close to the edge. Right, there we go. As I say, these pink are incredibly soft now. So many fish down here. Right, let's get that down. And that's at the bottom of that slope. Right, we're in, guys. Trying to save the battery, I'm afraid. Oh, and he's away. I touched him with the net. That counts. Get a couple out. These are boiling hot, these are. It's 30 degrees today. Stupid fishing, but wonderful fishing at the same time. We'll just done with that. There's a consequence. The neons are so soft. But yet again, if you're using the small particles, so I'm using hemp and hemp and micros as my base. Oh, hemp and micros as my base. And then the bigger neons over the top. Right, we're in. Right, let's have a look then. And this might be another crucian. Oh no. Oh, look at him. Black with bars of gold on him. What a beautiful fish. Let's have a look at you, sir. Look at where he's He's hooked there, guys. Right dead centre. Okay. We can pick that up on the camera. What a beauty. So look at your other side, sir. Look at you. Dad, look at that. See, he's black with gold. Beautiful fish. Right, let's get him in. Wow. I mean, I like that fish. Do you know what? Benefit of wearing Crocs, everybody. Fill the holes with water. Oh, lovely. Fish on, not a biggie. There he goes. Let's get him back. So, the people who say to me, well, they don't say it to me, the people who come on the forum, the Fjuka forum or whatever, who say the bait don't work. Well, it does. It doesn't work always, but it works most of the time. I've got to be honest with you guys. Pete, look. Dad, look.
I think they want you to put them in those tanks, you know? No.
Crayfish? Do you want to see it?
See these tanks here?
Yeah.
I'm sure they want you to put them in there.
Oh, guys, look. I don't know.
I think those tanks are full.
Okay. Get in.
Dirty bugger.
He is, isn't he?
Live down in the mud, don't they?
Yeah.
Because it caught him under his arm. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want this?
Yeah, please.
Shall we show all that line?
No. I don't know what to do with it. Tell you what, let me leave it in the net for a minute. I'll go and ask.